Hello, hello. If you're new here, then you should know that we do things on impulse here. I am an impulsive person. For example, a year ago, I had long, beautiful curly hair. But then one night, a couple of weeks ago, I couldn't sleep. So at 4 a.m., I grabbed my kitchen scissors and I chopped it all off. And now, I have to live with the consequences, whether I like it or not. Recently, one morning, I woke up and I was very sad because I really miss my long hair. So I said a prayer. I really wish I could get my long, beautiful hair back. And guess what? The Lord said, you deserve everything good in the world. And then a week later, I received the most beautiful hair extensions. And now, I get to live my dreams again. Conclusion. We're gonna try these on today. They're called Goo Goo Hair extensions. And it comes in this cute little hard packaging. And it says 100% Remy human hair. Wow, so I'm expecting really good quality here. Super exciting. I've owned so many different hair extensions, so it'll be interesting to see how these compare. This box comes with this little bag that says Goo Goo Hair extensions. Super cute. Ooh, it's got this alligator clip, scrunchy. Oh, look at these lashes. Also comes with an extra set of clips. And of course, there's the hair. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. Wow, I'm super excited. It also comes with a booklet with instructions about how to use it, which is really helpful. But I'm just gonna try this my own way. And by the way, don't mind my hair. It's clearly ratty because, well, she's been through a lot, okay? My hair has been through a lot, so let's not judge her, okay? We're gonna dress her up with these hair extensions and we're also gonna style it. This is so freaking soft. I'm shook. I really wasn't expecting this quality, honestly. Anyway, without further ado, let's finally try them on. I think these are 20 inches. I'll mention all the details in the description. Human hair is usually so expensive, so these are actually pretty affordable for the quality, which is crazy. And I also have a discount code that you can use, which is shesthelife, on their website to actually grab them at a pretty great price. So I'll be mentioning all of that in the description. So I'm gonna start off with the biggest piece. Oh my gosh, do you see how shiny that is? So pretty and so soft. And also these are seamless, so this is actually really cool. So it doesn't look bulky and it looks super natural, which is a problem I usually have with my other hair extensions. So this is actually a huge plus as well. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair and leaving like a thin layer of hair below, like that. Right on top of. And then I'm gonna place like another layer of hair on top of that and section off a smaller section. There are 2 3-pin clips, so I'm gonna be attaching those to the 2 sides of my second layer, and I'm gonna be bringing this a little more towards the front of my face this time, and I'm gonna get as close to the hairline as I possibly can, and then the other 3-pin piece on the other side. Oh my gosh, do you guys see how long that is? This is gorgeous, and I'm like 5'3" for reference, and these are coming down to my waist. I think these are the 20-inch ones. So this is like the long hair of my dreams. And do you see how seamless that is? Like you can't even tell I'm wearing extensions from here. I'm super excited to see the finished look. And then I'm going to be taking another smaller section, and I'm going to be using the 2-pin clips even closer to my face, because you don't want to put everything towards the back so it won't look as natural. So you want to keep moving a little bit closer to your face with each layer. And I'm just going to place it right there. Another piece on the other side. Oh my gosh, look at that. So well blended with this color. And then with the single clips, I'm just going to go as close to my bangs as possible. So now I have all 7 pieces in, and it does not feel bulky or heavy at all, which is so cool. I love the seamless feature about these, and the length, the color, everything is so perfect. Of course, right now, like my natural hair is really textured and quite curly, and these are really soft, smooth, and straight. So of course I'm gonna have to style it to make sure they blend really well. I can't wait to see what it looks like after I style it and everything is blended. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after styling. And I think I want to do like water waves because they're so long and beautiful, and I feel like they would look really good with the mermaid wave hairstyle. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like after it has been styled and blended, and I'm super excited, so we'll see. Hey guys, so I'm back and I styled it, and this is the finished look, and it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. They feel so light and they literally go down to like my waist, and I love the look so much. I've always wanted really long hair, but I've never had it. Look at all that hair! Oh my gosh, and they're really blending so well. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you to Goo Goo Hair for these beautiful extensions, and I cannot wait to try different things with these hair extensions, and they're so beautiful, great quality. Thank you guys for making me feel beautiful and giving me the hair of my dreams. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out all my socials. Everything will be in the description, and I'm gonna be moving in to my own apartment very soon, so lots of content coming soon. Definitely keep your eyes open for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!